So we are out here in Buckeye, Arizona today. We're going to be visiting Verrado. So we are actually in Verrado right now. We're going to take a look at one of the builders here, Landsea, and we're going to look at the neighborhood that they're putting out. We're actually in the neighborhood right now. We're going to visit one of their spec homes. They have homes that are pretty much ready to go right now. We're going to walk one of those spec homes for you, get you an idea of what those look like, talk about the pricing, and we're going to jump right into the video right now. Well, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in Phoenix, Arizona, then tap that subscribe button. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell. That way you could be the first to know about the current market here in Phoenix. Hi guys, my name is Mark Melendez. I'm a real estate professional here in Phoenix, Arizona. And if you're thinking about making a move to the Phoenix area, then let's chat. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call with me. All of my information is down in the description below. Just like I said, we're going to be taking a walking tour of this Verrado neighborhood right here. We're going to look at one of the spec homes. Let's just jump right into it. Okay guys, so the builder is Landsea, and if you notice, there's a couple of model homes right over here. So if you're in the Verrado area and you wanted to check out their model homes for this community, they're right over there. And I'm kind of like right in their greenbelt area right now. As you can see, there's a lot of grassy area right here. Right over there is a small little playground for children to enjoy. Right here is just kind of like a little sitting area right around the flower pot. And then back on that side, on the other side of the road over there, there's a little fire pit with sitting areas right around there. So let's talk about the home that we're going to look at. So it is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it's right around 1,800 square feet. It is listed for $415,000. So the deal with this home is the interest rate. So if you went with this particular home that we're going to look at and got locked in with their lender, you've got to use their lender for an FHA or a VA type of loan. They are quoting somewhere right around 4.875%, which is pretty much 2% under market value right now. Now that's with their lender. Also, if you go under contract with them, you get the rate, and then they're also going to give you $10,000 to use towards your closing costs. So that should cover the entire cost of the loan and have a little extra left over. In most cases, you're gonna have to take it on a case-by-case scenario. But if you had a little extra, you can also use that extra to prepay some of your HOA dues up to 12 months if you have enough reserve in that. And the HOA is about $115 monthly, which gets you access to pretty much everything here, all of the common areas. There's several different pools, there's clubhouses, there's gyms. This is Verrado, so it's a huge master plan community. If you didn't see my Verrado vlog tour, make sure to go back through my videos and check out the Verrado vlog tour, because that's going to explain a lot more about like the amenities that they have here. So it's an incredible location. So it's nestled up against the White Tank Mountains, and if you look that way, those are the white tanks right over there. In the white tanks, you're going to find a number of different hiking trails, biking trails, equestrian trails. There's a lot of outdoor activity that can be done there. There's also a big golf course attached to this community. If you're a fan of golf, you have that ability to do some golfing there as well. So as we look around the neighborhood, you're going to notice that there's a different type of architecture with these homes. They're not all just the standard homes that you see throughout Arizona. They're going to have some different type of curb appeal, different form. I would even say go as far as saying like you've got some craftsman style homes, you've got some Spanish style homes. Those are the two that I'm kind of seeing right now. However, you know, a lot of people use a lot of different terms for the architecture, but that's what I'm seeing. Okay guys, well, let's just go take a tour of this house. Let's go. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. And if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to tap that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. That way you can be the first to know about the current market here in Phoenix. Like always, guys, I truly appreciate your time, and I hope you all have an amazing day.